And
Yeah.
ma'am, may I ask that what is your age?
I am 36 years old.
36. I
I
can't
am
believe that
36.
you look like 20, 23 like that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, I can't
No, I am
believe. Still I can't believe. I have to pinch myself.
thank you. How old are you?
Yeah, I am 23.
You are 23. Okay. Yes, you look
Oh,
like
I can't imagine that you are 36. Oh my gosh.
yes, I am.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Shelly. What is your name?
My name is Indroji and I am from India.
Very good. Very good. I am from America. It's nice to meet you.
Yes, it's really good to meet you. And
Yes.
so, what is the time there now?
It is 33 p.m. on Friday.
Oh,
On Friday.
and
Yes.
now it is 10 a.m. on
Yes.
Saturday.
Yes. Very good. Very good. So you are ahead of me by 12
Yeah,
hours
12
or
hours,
so.
like yes.
Yes, exactly. Yes. What would you like to talk about today?
I want to have a smooth, free, general conversation with you.
Okay. All
Uh,
right.
so, I mean, what is the situation of Corona there in your city? Is it okay
Um,
now?
in in my city, our numbers are down,
Okay.
but in America, the numbers are going back up. But in
Oh,
my small town, the numbers are starting to go down. So,
background. So it is origami. You make that?
no.
Oh,
No. Um,
so
it
lovely.
says,
It
thank
looks
you.
it looks really nice.
Thank you. It says, first I drink the coffee, then I teach the things.
Oh,
But I
wow.
did not make it.
Excellent.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
you decorated this in a very good way.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
there is a panda.
Yes, I
Yeah.
used to teach Chinese children,
Okay.
thousands
So
of them.
okay. So you have to use these toys.
Yes, sometimes I would talk about pandas, and I have a small panda, and a medium, and
Oh,
a very large
big.
panda.
Oh, so to clarify the difference, the size.
Right, right. With children, it's easier to use props to teach English, but with
Oh, I
adults,
see.
we don't really use props. Not
Okay,
really.
great, great. And yeah, do you have you completed your dinner?
Yes, I might have a snack
Oh,
before bed,
so
but
I want to know that what is the traditional breakfast
oh,
in your city?
I
What do you
eat
take generally?
generally toast or like eggs and bacon and
Okay.
coffee or orange juice to drink. Yes.
Oh, I
What
see, I see.
what do you have for breakfast?
Breakfast,
Hmm.
tea or coffee with bread or biscuit, and
Yes.
also after that uh, we eat roti, luchi,
What is that?
roti. Roti is flat bread made
Okay.
made made with flour
Okay. Roti.
or
Roti.
yes, roti.
Okay.
And luchi.
Yes. What is luchi?
Luchi is like a small size, but it is fried
Oh,
in the oil.
a. How do you spell that?
Okay, okay, I type that.
I would love to see that.
Luchi,
Luchi. Thank you.
roti, and sometimes porota.
Mm. Luchi.
Okay, yes, luchi.
Very good. It is
With
fried
yes, it is
and
fried.
roti.
Roti is uh, toasted or baked.
Yeah.
It is like flat bread.
What do you Yes. Do you put butter or
Yeah, sometimes,
jam
butter
or
or
syrup on it?
yes, sometimes. Or I
Yes.
or we generally
And
eat with vegetables like potato curry.
yes. Oh, what is the perota? Perota?
Perota is look like roti, but
It,
it is fried in oil. But luchi is smaller
oh,
size and parota is bigger size.
oh. It is um Perota is swirled or spiraled. Is
Not
it like spiral?
no, it's not like spiral. It just
It doesn't look like
plain.
that.
It's a plain simple.
And, hmm.
Your
Google
screen
makes
is
it look
yes. You have to Google
like
for
a
it. But
spiral.
you
Oh
okay?
no.
No,
Okay,
it's
I
okay.
will refresh.
It's okay now.
Oh, okay, good. Very good. Okay. So you eat that for breakfast.
Yes. And what is the
Yes.
traditional lunch in your city? What
Mm,
do you eat mostly?
mm, normally people eat, I don't know. I have food allergies, so I can't eat what normal Americans can eat.
Oh, okay.
My diet is different. Um, but maybe Americans eat like sandwiches
Okay.
or a hamburger.
Oh, hamburger.
Nothing healthy.
Oh.
Not healthy
So
food.
what do you eat? What do you eat?
Um, Today I had cashews,
Hmm.
and a banana
Oh,
for lunch.
cashews.
And
What is
cashews.
made with? What is the ingredients of
Cashew,
cashews?
it is a nut.
Okay.
So it was a very small lunch. I have maybe 20 minutes to eat at school where I
Oh.
teach. So I don't have much time to eat. So
Oh, so you just eat harshly.
yes,
Oh,
exactly.
so you
Yes.
are very
Before
cautious
the
about
student.
your health.
Oh, say it again, please. I'm sorry.
Yes, you are very cautious about your health.
Yes. Yes, I am.
Oh,
Yes.
and what is the traditional dinner normally people
Mm,
eat?
normally, on Tuesdays, people like to eat tacos, Taco
Oh,
Tuesday.
tacos.
Um,
Oh, I
and
think there is a offer. There is an offer on Tuesday.
oh, maybe, we eat. Oh, where you live,
I live.
do you have,
I,
do you do Taco Tuesdays?
no. I
You
heard
do
about
that?
it from the Cambly tutors, other
Okay,
Cambly tutors. So that's
they
why
do it
I
too.
yes.
Um, on Fridays, many people order pizza.
Oh, pizza. Pizza
Uh,
is famous and popular.
yes, yes, but again, like not healthy food.
Yes,
American food isn't
obviously.
healthy. But what do you eat for dinner?
uh, at dinner,
And
actually, we eat thali at dinner and also at in lunch.
what is that?
Thali includes rice, pulse means dal, various type of dals, lentil,
Yes,
tea, this like
yes.
of dal.
Vegetables.
Yes, also with
Yes.
vegetables and also
What?
sometimes with fish curry or egg curry or chicken curry.
Curry. Yes,
Curry is popular dish
is
and
is
in
very,
India.
yes, and it is very um, spicy or hot.
Yeah, it depends on the
Is
taste of the various people because
yes,
some people love spicy food, some people doesn't. So that depends on
yes,
what do you
very.
love? Spicy
What?
or sweet or anything?
I don't eat very much spicy food.
Yes, yes.
I eat, um, hmm, I don't, I
Yummy,
eat
yummy food.
eggs, yummy foods rather than spicy foods. Yes. I
Okay,
eat foods
okay.
that are salty.
And oh, salty. Oh, lovely. And what about
Yes,
desserts?
salty.
What about desserts?
I love ice cream. I love,
Oh, really? Wow. You love
yes,
ice
I love,
cream.
yes. Do you have ice cream for dessert also?
I sometimes I eat ice cream.
Yes. What is a normal dessert for you?
Uh, that is sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet means uh, milk product. Uh,
Okay.
like that, uh, chana or rasgulla. Rasgulla is a famous sweet.
I I don't know that
I
one.
I type that. I type that.
Thank you. Do you
Okay.
have do you have many American sweets like a chocolate bar like this one? Like
Uh,
this is a Hershey's chocolate bar. Do you
oh,
have
I love chocolate. I love chocolate, but not
yes.
just Indian chocolate.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
can you see me because uh, the screen is off now.
Oh no. I
Sometimes it
is it cutting out?
offs. It is off.
I can I can see you. I will refresh just a moment.
Okay, okay. No,
It's
it's
okay?
okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I will look
Oh,
up your food because I don't know what that food is. All right. So
you can Google for it. You can see.
rasgula,
Yes, rasgulla. Yes, yes.
rasgula. It looks like it has um, sugar,
Yes, yes. Obviously, it contains
some.
more
Does it
more
have cinnamon?
sugars.
Yes.
Yes, and also sweet syrup. It is full of syrup.
And syrup, yes. And do you like to eat it hot or cold?
Sometimes I eat hot, but sometimes I eat cold.
Yes. Yes. Very good. When it is hot, do you put ice cream on top?
No. Just
No.
no, just simple. Just simple I eat.
That's like that's American thinking.
Oh,
More
okay.
sugar, more but we have like a brownie. When a brownie, we can eat brownies hot or cold. When it is hot, cream on top, like um like a hot fudge sundae. A hot fudge sundae.
Oh, okay.
So it has a brownie that's hot and ice cream and chocolate syrup. Not
Oh,
healthy at
wow.
all, but
Yes,
delicious.
yes. Delicious. Yeah, delicious. Oh, and
Yeah.
ma'am, may I ask that what is your age?
I am 36 years old.
36. I
I
can't
am
believe that
36.
you look like 20, 23 like that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I can't
No, I am.
believe. Still, I can't believe. I have to pinch myself.
Thank you. How old are you?
Yeah, I am 23.
You are 23. Okay. Yes, you look
Oh,
like
I can't imagine that you are 36. Oh my gosh.
yes, I am. I
Okay, so my time is running out, ma'am. So
oh
it was
yes,
really lovely to meet you, and I surely will make a lot of schedules with you.
yes, I would love that. I would love
Okay,
that.
ma'am.
Okay. Have a wonderful
Take
Saturday.
care.
You too.
Yes, you
Nice to
too.
meet you.
Stay safe, stay happy.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.